Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork hocks. We'll cover a straightforward method that ensures tender, flavorful results every time. You'll learn about selecting the right ingredients, the simple steps for preparation, and the slow cooking process that makes these hocks so delicious. Get ready to create a comforting meal with minimal fuss. First, choose your pork hocks. Either fresh or cured will work wonderfully. Next, gather your aromatic vegetables such as 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a few bay leaves. For the braising liquid, you'll need about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, plus a splash of apple cider vinegar to balance the richness. This simple preparation sets the stage for incredible flavor. Place your prepared hocks and aromatics into a large pot, then cover them with the braising liquid. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover, and cook for 3 to 4 hours. The goal is for the meat to be fall-off-the-bone tender. For an extra touch, you can finish them under a broiler for 10 to 15 minutes to crisp the skin. Once cooked, your pork hocks are ready to be enjoyed. They pair beautifully with classic sides like mashed potatoes, sauerkraut, or braised greens. Don't forget to strain and reduce the cooking liquid to create a rich, savory sauce to pour over everything. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.